the music, 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 music.
See these niggas be capping and lying, they really not like that. Nigga play like he won't get his life. Still hang with the killers and niggas in our black. Hell yeah, boy, we like that. Ayy, New Year, so we stacking for scat packs. Just hit a lick and pulled out from the Hellcat. Only smoke pressure, the best you can smell that. Turn the 2, 8, 2 or 3 with a scale at 8. Need bows, we gon' wrap it and mail that. Just put a 4 in the poppin' and feel back. Giving them trouble, they like where they help at. These niggas pussy, they twice, they big cake. Big racks all on his head and they kidnap. Ayy, no cap, this shit here, big facts. Kicking in doors at the kickback, get back like. Run them pockets, let me get that. Ayy, 30 shots with 100, come with me. Wasn't proving no points, so we hit him with 60. Crib Street still screaming RIP Nipsey. I come from the Grove, but the knife niggas with me. Ayy, 600, that shit kinda in me. I jumped off the porch to the block in the trenches. I'm rocking designer, this Glock in my bitches. The bitch from the back, nigga, buy some inches. 6 days and 6 nights, we was out on the mission. On the 7th, we seen him and caught him and flipped. Only right that we hit everybody that's with him. I been causing hell ever since I was little. I can make a bitch shit like I'm Dr. Doolittle. Don't reach for this chain, tell your ass to a noodle. Yeah, I missed the trouble, I thought that you knew. Bitch.
I didn't make it true, playing by the rules. I come apart, but never cool. I didn't make it true, playing by the rules. I come apart, but never cool. I didn't make it true, playing by the rules. I come apart.
This crafty beat.
They want that old dog, huh? Tell the DJ run it back. 2020 straight choppers, I ain't fucking with that scrap. He just keep on tweeting, I'ma pop his fucking hat. Watch this man's cry about it, tell his ass laugh at that. If I jump out on your ass, it ain't no chance you bustin' back. All that Superman shit, get your ass put on your back. Niggas never had a pole, but he screaming, he don't laugh. Quit to say they on the block, we popping out the way all that. Pole deep in this, run no hell, no, this ain't no splat. Trying to watch this nigga die in a few days to double back. Bro, I'm trying to go and spin, he hit my line like where you at, they on the block right now. Shit, let's go and make a pack. Don't you speak on all the shit, cause I'll get you going for that. We gon' fucking kill his ass and make a song about this shit. Fuck that nigga cause he dead, so carry on with that shit. Bitch, I do my own work, so on my own I blitz. Niggas dissing cause they mad about them dead ass ops. Hit them legs in the head, once he drop, don't stop. 30 clip on his glizzy, 50 on the AR. And they hit me with this, see me tryna catch me a R. Baby roller with the stick and I like jumping out the car. Cause I chase your ass down and put 9 in your top. I'm a fucking state champ, so your ass won't run far. Had to cut her ass off cause she ain't wanna let me fuck. I get silly off that Henny, tryna fuck a nigga up. I got my niggas in this bitch, so boy, it ain't no one-on-one. Don't let me get outside the club, murder one, somebody done. Get the bacon at the crowd and watch everybody run. Got a chopper in the car, I ain't brainy bitch for nothing. If I go in the back seat, you better run and make it fun. I don't really like the rap cause I put drilling number 1. You better hope I angel with you, you get caught without that gun. You a bitch and you know it, and your partner is too. New all back in the air, but niggas down ain't nothing new. 38 in the club, you better not scum my fucking short. Spill drink on my clothes, bitch, cause everything new. Scribble bitch on that pole, bring her home, I want it too. Quick 30 with no per, you imagine what the weed do. He rap that shit with them guys, then he get banged. 250 round on the stick, show you what that thing do. Brother acting like he on it, we gon' crack his brain too. Don't come outside, this bitch that died, and the guys blame you. You gon' holler, you gon' slide, get that flame and swing through. So we can party fucking car, go to your hood and swing too. Run a op nigga down, leave his brains on the shoe. With a gang, chopper bang, bitch, we aim when we shoot. Mask on, gloves tight when I'm flaming at you. We'll never leave a witness, bitch, we stain at them too.
Alright, let's hop into the Okay, okay. Welcome, welcome. Let me tell everyone to join up. Alright, I'm about to go over my bias real quick. So, alright. So, I'm kind of biased for shorts today. Reasoning for that is because, alright, on the 4 hour, let me get off the 4 hour actually. Well, 4 hour, we already see that we're continuing change in state, right? But that's to the upside. But let me just go on the 1 hour. It's probably better if I explain it on there. So, in the 1 hour, we're retracing from this fair value gap, but we also have AMD kind of playing out on the 4 hour. So, I'm thinking, right? Hold on. 4 hour, this is what I wanted to explain on the 4 hour. So we're inversing this fair value gap, right? The chances that we disrespect the 4 hour fair value gap is pretty slim. So I feel like we're going to kind of fake out that we're disrespecting the 4 hour fair value gap, take out a bunch of liquidity on the buy side of the market, right? And then come lower, right? I think we're going to take out a prominent high from the AMD on the 1 hour, like the accumulation area on the 1 hour, and then we're going to come lower, I feel like. So the prominent high would be right here. So I feel like we're going to take out that high, like that buy side high, and then come lower and kind of have a little inverse plus retracement action, because if you see, we got a whole fair value gap down here that we can inverse and then retrace off of this 4 hour fair value gap again to kind of retest that. But that's like later in the day, and I feel like we'll come back higher from that. But to be honest, like this I got 5 minute accumulation here. We have like a little earlier AMD, so I feel like we're playing out accumulation, manipulation, distribution higher. But this is also a new, like this was early AMD, and I feel like this is a new like formed AMD that we're just testing right now, that we're manipulating. We're having a lot of relief towards the upside to take out a lot of this buy side. Like that's why I feel like we're gonna have such a big move, because we're taking out so much liquidity right now in the market. I feel like we're going shorts today, right? And keep in mind, this is, I asked myself like before I get into a trade, is this a retracement or are we like extending, right? And I feel like we're extending. So we just took out that high, that prominent high. So, and it's 940. So we're gonna start to look for a move if we can. We want to be more safe today. If I do win today, then I do have the ability to get a payout. But kind of just want to play it safe. I want to see at least a change in state before I do enter. Hopefully we could get like SMT. I was predicting SMT, and we did have an SMT. Damn, I really did predict that. I was not expecting that, I'm not gonna lie. But I did predict it, so I guess I was. So, yeah, we ripped that market open, so it depends. If we disrespect this SMT, of course we're going to continue higher. We're going to respect the change in state and continue higher. But I feel like we're testing this change in state, and I just don't have a high conviction that we're going to, I feel like we're going to dump today. I don't think we're going to respect that change in state and come higher. But if we do, probably just won't take a trade today. If we come higher though, like I really don't see any reasoning for us to come higher. Like I don't know, it's hard to see. I feel like I would have to catch a continuation, but we're displacing crazy extension out. I really might not take a trade today. Now that I've seen that, I kind of just invalidated my whole shit. NQ is ripping. What does? Yeah, let me open the chat. Alright, what's good, boys? That's why we was thinking we also may form an SMT at the buy side liquidity. It looked easy today, same bias, looking good, not gonna lie. SMT about to be formed. Yep, so I mean, depends like what do we want to take out. I feel like, because we have all these imbalances too. I mean, we do have like a lot of imbalance over here. So who knows, you could probably, I think we're having a sweep right now of it. That's why we're coming higher. Of course, it's not going to be to the tick, but I could see shorts playing out today. But we have like a lot of liquidity up here that we can just sweep out. But if we just disrespect it and we just continue to like just come above these highs, then so be it. Then we're probably going to go to all-time highs. But right now I'm just seeing what's happening. Damn. Market is definitely ripping though. Holy. Hey, good chance we don't take a trade, but there is still a good chance that we do. High, and then yeah. So we kind of disrespected the SMT. It's really like a 50-50 today. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna like enter in 50-50, but I'm saying like my conviction could either play out or I feel like it will, you know. I know SM definitely took like 24,000 contracts on this on this long. Definitely banked already. He's already done for the day. He's wrapped up. Fifth payout of the month. Yeah. Made 400K. Yeah. But it's really patience today. I'm expecting a move during macro. Since this is 5-minute accumulation, I'm expecting a move during macro. Like, even if we match these highs, that would be nice, but yeah. I guess we can also, at the same time, look for a continuation move towards the upside if we don't have anything for the downside. But I just don't like catching continuations because they're always so risque. Hey, it's patience. Patience. And we see the setup. If we don't, we don't. We sweep in Asia highs, PO3 showing that as BSL and London lows for SSL. Yeah. We definitely got some good draws. We got Asia lows, London lows down here. New York lows are also down here. Like somewhere in this area. But that's why I'm saying I feel like, but I guess since I'm predicting more high time frame move, we're gonna see a more high time frame like distribution. Market is just ripping. Oh my gosh, we're about to make all-time highs today, bro. Actually, we're coming up to this imbalance. What am I talking about? Yeah, I think we're gonna either respect this imbalance or what time frame is it? Yeah, and it's a 4 hour. We're just inversing the 4 hour. I'm tripping. My bad, guys. I'm thinking, yeah, we're good. We're Gucci. I think we're Gucci. Yeah, we're just mad overextended because we want to fill this inverse, and I think we're gonna like fill it halfway. because we're already above that. Consequent encroachment. I barely ever use that word. For somebody else. Look at NQ, or look at ES. And NQ is sweeping these highs. They might even want to come to these highs, to be honest. Might match this, if possibly match that. Like I said, looking for a macro move. If we take this 4-hour high and we displace past this, then golly gee, we ain't taking shit. We taking on NQ, not ES. Yeah, this is NQ. And then we're inversing on ES. That's actually looking really good. Like this. I like how ES is looking right now. I really do. Dang, look at that. We're coming into macro. I think this move can play around like 951, 952. See, NQ still playing grab ass with these highs. Overextended AF. Bro. I would have to see like now, since we're like overextended like crazy and practically broke this change in state, I'm definitely gonna want to be careful how I like enter. Like I'm definitely going to want to enter off of some pretty good confluences. I just want to talk to NQ. What the heck? Yo, we got the. I can't show that on YouTube. I'm gonna get banned. Oh. Nah, but. Yeah, ES. I'm looking for a play on ES, I'm not gonna lie. Because NQ is being like an oddball. But just. Alright, macro just opened, so. Gotta lock in real quick. Respecting this 4-hour order block, yes. Nice. We didn't make a change in state yet, but I think market definitely wants to. Flow 2-minute that we're going to literally rip through. I think we could take it to the bottom of this accumulation if we hold. We are overextendo clipped. Yeah. I mean, it's not 51. Yeah, I'm on my XFA. It's not 51 right now. You know, first couple minutes of macro can be like, might go higher, might go lower, we don't really know. But I'm pretty sure if we don't go low, I'm not taking a trade. Definitely a nice change in state on the 2-minute on NQ. I really like that. No SMT in sight. NQ's the leading index right now. I'm pretty sure. Loki might want to take a trade on ES and just follow NQ. Or take a trade on NQ. Well, like, wait, I'm pretty sure you take a trade on the leading. Or the one that's not leading, right? Yeah, NQ is looking better, in my opinion. We just inverse this 1 minute. I might actually enter in one contract soon. I'm gonna sell one contract.
Order filled.
Gosh dang. Forgot NQ is like a lot. And then if we could create a continuation confluence, then I'll check out another one. But we inverse this 1 minute nicely. And we're kind of having a change in state at these lows. NQ swept all these highs, swept previous highs, swept literally everything in the freaking map. Pretty mature on the 5 minute, no doubt. Dang. Might get cooked. Might get cooked, boys. NQ. Oh, ES is. Why is ES like disrespecting it? Yeah, boys. We got cooked. We're coming back into this inverse, but the 1 minute holding would be 1 minute holding would be something. I'll tell you that. Damn, I forgot NQ like puts in like 1,000 contracts for one contract, bro. Took out this took out some liquidity on ES. ES was really the better move. Why did I listen to you, Tyler? But I still position. I feel like if we I don't know, I feel like putting stops at these highs would be like the better move. It's a lot of money though, bro. I sound broke. What am I talking about? Fuck that. Bruh. I measured 500 blank. Yeah, bro.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm out of that because what the fuck? I'm not scared. Like, we're gonna fucking grab that. I already know. We're gonna fucking grab that. I might be done for the day. That kind of pissed me off. Yeah, we gotta hit that shit. Like, how? Why? When do we ever disrespect the fucking 4 minute? Yeah. And that might be it for the day for me. I don't know what we doing. Yeah. Straight rip. There's news at 10:20. FOMC. It's been an odd week. I'm not gonna lie. It's been an odd week. I feel like I still had like good conviction. We were overextended AF. I guess this would have been the continuation move off this 5 minute. Or, yeah. I don't see anything. Market wants to maybe fill the rest of this. Become lower. I don't know. But this looks like 8 shit on that. I guess we did take out changing state from this, like the higher time frame. And then we're kind of respecting the changing state. Like, we're not gonna retest it, fill in any balances, nothing. No thing. Just ripped. If we don't do anything at this inverse, I'm gonna call it a day. Because I just right. Yeah. It don't look like we are. It don't look like anything. It looks like bullshit. That's all. That 10 a.m. reversal hits. People gonna think that's a 10 a.m. reversal, and then they're gonna get stopped. The market's gonna be like, psych, we're gonna continue to rip. We're gonna continue to rip. It's not even like changing state. I wouldn't even enter till like down here. Gosh dang. The rally is insane. Done inverse this 5 minute. And that's a 1 hour we just inversed. Yeah. No more trades for me today. We are coming for all-time highs. We are coming. Bro, look at that. this. Like, bro, what is this? Dang, bro. In less than like 40 minutes, market moved almost half a whole percent. That is crazy. It usually moves like that in a day. Bro, that is something. Yes, it's still just ripping through this 1 hour. How are you gonna rip through a 4 hour and a 1 hour? Oh, it's the same. It's the same one. We're just casually disrespecting the 4 hour. And the 1 hour, actually. So are we on all-time highs? No, we're not on all-time highs. Sut, you're banking? At that point, bro, that shit is more than risky. I would have to force my fingers to try and look for a confluence. Yeah. Yeah, bro. This price is some bullshit. He's in or... Oh, I thought he was in. If you're in for longs, good shit for you. Good shit for you. You're banking. I still want to see what we do, because who knows? Maybe that 1 hour time frame move. Bro, it had the smallest SMT on the 5 minute accumulation, and this shit what we get. Yeah, bro. I don't know what this is. I mean, can't blame the market for what it wants to do, I guess. Let me check out my journal. See what I wrote. Yeah, I'm thinking we were just gonna tap on the accumulation to come lower. But might come up to test this state. Match highs, may equal highs, but it's not looking. Might just call it a week. I mean, we're still up on the week. Yeah, we're up on the week, so that's not horrible. Big, like, it was looking at hefty loss today. But it was like the equivalent of 2 losses, like $250 losses. 470. I thought it was worse. Yeah. 470. That's like the equivalent of 2 losses. $235 per loss. So not horrible. We had the right idea. Market was just ripping. And sometimes they don't always work out. We also had no news today. Unless the FOMC. We absolutely can blame market today. This shit about to take a month to pass. This shit about to take a month to pass because I ain't go for more profit the other day. I guess our buy was just higher time frame move. Or what goes up must come down. Exactly. That's the strat. What goes up must come down. Full port shorts right now. Everyone. Nah, bro. Full port shorts and news. Yo. Bro, I know SM. The thing, bro, what's giving me that? I know SM literally full ported buys, bro, and freaking made 5 bands. That's I already know. Yeah, he made 9 mil, 9 mil today. Bro, can Market just like rug pull real quick and just take everyone out? FOMC Yellow News is not going to do like shit, bro. But it might. It might. It is FOMC though. Like, even though it's yellow folder. Are we really gonna bank one? Yellow folder FOMC. The only reason I'm not like cutting my day yet is because you're right. This could be a high time frame move. Like, I'm seeing. I feel like this could have been like accumulation though. I feel like this could be AMD playing out like on the higher time frame though, so it's gonna be a way bigger move. We're gonna see it. Don't limit yourself to 30 minutes on the chart. Yeah, it's not like even. It's just like we still potential high time frame day. Especially, I think if we fail this change in state, I really want to see us fail this change in state. Continue lower. Just because we have such good draws, I feel like why would we not want to come to those draws? Right? Like, not only do we have a 4 hour that we didn't fully inverse, but we also got a 1 hour down here. And we didn't close yet on the 1 hour. That's what I'm saying. Did not close yet either. Macro just closed. FOMC comes out in 10 minutes. We're gonna London lows taken on distribution. The MCDC might be tanked after. Yeah, we did tank a lot yesterday after this trade, so I'm just waiting like for 10 minutes FOMC. If we don't have anything for FOMC though, I'm gonna call it a day. Yeah, we're taking out these highs. So if we don't have a change in state and we take out these highs on NQ and then disrespect change in state, like come lower, that would be crazy. Because these are like these are previous day highs. So if we could take out previous day highs, sweep that and come lower, that would be something. Something like this. See right here how we had our highs right here. Took out previous day highs, change in state, came lower to match these lows, and then we'll come higher again. That's kind of what I'm looking for. Like this a later in the day type of move, bro. Like these high time frame moves, bugging, but we're tracing right now on that 1 hour candle. Yeah. Like, look, now we're due for all this relief in the market. I hope this is not all confirmation bias, but I really am thinking if we get a change in state on the 5 minute, I'm fucking hopping in, bro. I gotta stop saying fucking so much, bro. It's just like something about the word that it just shows my emotion. Taking out previous day highs. It's a high time frame ass or move. I'm looking for shorts, bro. And if we disrespect this, then we disrespect it. FOMC in 7 minutes. Don't say we're golden, bro. We're golden. We're golden. The smart thing to do. Again, I'm not gonna take no premature entry. I'm done with the premature entries, bro. You're cooking me, bro. What color were we 10 minutes ago? To me, what color were we? I was light skinned a couple minutes ago. I still am. Nice. On ES, we are changing state and delivery. If this is a retracement, I'm going to end literally. But like, look on the 5 minute, bro. If this is a 5 minute fair value gap, then and we just continue higher, then I'm done for the day. I'm actually done. If that's a 5 minute continuation, we just come higher from that. We have an SMT at the highs. I'm really liking the SMT. I'm really liking the SMT, boys. Not even gonna lie to y'all. But now we look for A plus only. We got a second chance. Now we look for A plus only. Beautiful change in state. Beautiful change in state right now. Beautiful. Still got this 2 minute, so be careful with that. Should we wait till after FMOC or enter? Is yellow folder? I'm allowed to enter yellow folder news. But what if FOMC just like comes up and fills this fair value gap and then we tank? Got a change in state. I want to see a continuation confluence, to be honest. Alright, let's look. Change in state. Took out previous day highs. SMT divergence. You know. Let's take out these lows on the 5 minute and then I'll get in. We want confirmation in this trade. I'm not trying to take all these losses, bro. I want to see us disrespect this shit. And if we make a continuation confluence, that would be nice. Let's mark out this order block that we got. You're going to take one on NQ. Alright, I'm looking on ES. NQ, we don't got any confluences, and NQ kind of just like ran me my money, bro. Just snatch my money from me. But I want to see these lows get taken out, and then I'll enter, because we're still in this 5 minute, and we could be inversing this 5 minute and coming higher. I think I want to wait till FOMC. I'm going to wait because FOMC, I know it can move the market, bro. But we just took out daily highs. If I put my stops above these SMT highs, We didn't even like have a change and stay on the 5. What are we doing? We matched that. We made equal. Possibility. If we come to this order block, that'd be nice. That'd be nice. I'll enter in off that order block. It'll be better risk management. And I could probably enter in another con at 5-minute change in state. We're disrespecting this 5-minute. Low key. Got this imbalance right here. No, news is in like soon. Like 1 minute. Dang, if we're respecting this, because we closed below these. So if we dip below that, I'll be fine. And if we retrace off the order block, I'll be fine too. Just still want to. Wonder what this news is going to do. I'm saying if this news comes up, fills this 1 minute. Either the order block or the 1 minute is my entry. Oh, dude, do we look at 3 minutes? Because we got 3 minute fair value gap. Should I enter in one cell con?
Order filled.
Off the 3 minute. We got news. SMT highs. Trading at news is crazy. I swear, if it moves like some red folder, bro, bro. Alright, so market just like paused. Did you say refresh? Am I tripping or is just market just not moving? No, I think it's moving. FOMC then broke the market. Oh no, Top Step's cooked, bro. What is Top Step? Do it, bro. Why? I can't even set a take profit, bro. Bro, Top Step. Oh, servers. Oh, servers, bro. What is this? Do I have to keep refreshing every candlestick? see this. I want to see changes stay on the 5 minute. Like I really do. That would. Let me check my phone. What are we doing? This is my computer. Yeah, it's gotta keep refreshing till we hit stop loss, bro. Yep. Like, what are they doing? Wow. Okay. What do we have to look up? ES. Look up what the ES chart is doing, bro. But this one's delayed, so that doesn't help. Gotta look at Yahoo Finance, bro. Hey, SM. SM, we all know he made 50 bands off that move up. Bro, Top Step is glitched. We're slowly coming higher. It did, yeah. Let me go into Sir Top Step. They're keeping that for real. Give me a refund, bro. What if I made $2,000 on this trade? Let me check the Discord. Yeah, everyone's saying it's frozen. I want to say I'm in profit, 20K. I want a refund. Whoever's in my trade, whoever's in a trade is getting cooked. I know. Bro, I mean, we can still see markets moving, but we just gotta like. I was up a band on the longs, then at break even, my TB was at 2K. Damn. Yeah, let's look at the Top Step. Oh, I'm in profit. Yay. We're back online. Damn, it's on slow. They're saying it's moving again. Alright. That was about to stop everyone out. Oh, thanks for your contributions. What are you talking about? So, like, what's happening? Alright. I still can't place a take profit. Oh, there we go. Yeah. It is indeed back. So what did FOMC do? Just make some chop. Yeah, we didn't disrespect this. We didn't validate this. We have the order block. We're gonna hold it. Okay. We already made it SMT. Are you talking about lower time frame? Oh, if this is just a retracement to come even higher, then that's just pissing me off. That would piss me off. But we swept these highs though. Previous day highs, matter of fact. It's August 8th. Oh, we did not sweep previous day highs. We made an SMT with previous day highs. Are we lagging again? Yeah, bro. Oh, why are we paying? Yo, why are they cooking dubstep? It's frozen again. Why are we paying for this? Oh, dang, why everyone's saying it? Yo, why are they crashing out? Oh my goodness. Hey, I would be too, bro. Bro, they saying this all, bro. We all about to hit stop loss, bro. What you mean? Y'all raging over nothing, bro. It's giving you a chance to leave the trade. Yeah, bro. We disrespected this 5 minute, bro. Changing state. Damn. $400. Let's take above. It's the last confluence we got. The 1 minute. The baby. Yeah. Yeah, good thing I'm not on NQ. NQ would have drained my money.
Order filled.
All right. Yeah, we're done for the day. It's all good. We live, we learn. We got up to that amount. We could get up to it again. But I'm done for today. Market is weird. Bro. It's not even bro. I'll figure it out. I'm gonna back test journal. Come back Monday. Bang out a W week. We're still up on the week. We are still up on the week. So I'll take that. Gotta be grateful for what we got. No, it was pretty A plus. Like that first entry was pretty A plus. This one not as much. Damn, lost 800 on the day. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna hop off here and post a recap. But I'll see y'all.